Hi everybody, I'm Buffy. I'm a 41-year-old mom with 2 young kids. I have wrinkles. Real wrinkles and thin lips and sometimes tired eyes. But I like feeling pretty in my own skin. And I want to help you feel pretty, naturally beautiful, and confident with your own skin and body, especially now that we're over 40. First of all, DIY. Who has time for that, right? I don't, but I love the idea for it. And I found this great mask. It's a hydrating, toning, anti-inflammatory mask with only 2 ingredients that you can make at home. I think you'll like it. I liked it. So let's dive in. So you need a cucumber, a simple cucumber. I bought an organic cucumber. It was only 99 cents. So cheap and simple for this mask. I just love it. You also need aloe skin gel. Look for a skin gel that is 99% aloe at least, and some organic ingredients is always a plus. So slice the cucumber. Duh, right? That's why I love this mask. It's so easy. Just slice it up, half the cucumber, into small chunks if you want. Then put everything into your blender. I used my Vitamix, but I don't recommend it because it was so large that I had to add water because some of the chunks didn't get blended. Like my daughter says when she screams for a smoothie, "No chunks, Mom." But then you add 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel, 2, and just put the top on and set the blender and go. Blend it up, blend it up. That's it. So I poured my mask into a ball jar because I'm going to store it in the fridge. You can store it up to a week in the fridge. And then I got a makeup brush, dipped it in the mask, and applied it to my face. It has a really nice, cold, smooth consistency, and it felt so good. This mask smells so good, like cucumber. Just spread it on all around your face, avoiding the eye area. You don't want to put it on your eyelids. No. Nope. Or too close to your eyes. You don't want to get aloe too close to your eyes, but all over your face. And I'll show you what mine looked like last night. Here you go. So let me know if you think this DIY mask was simple enough for you. Leave me a comment when you try it and let me know what you think. I gotta go do some laundry. Bye. Oh, and one more thing. You can also follow me on Instagram at eBuffy for more tips on body image, beauty, and skincare for over 40 moms. And thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to getting to know you better. Thanks. Bye.